What's up, YouTube? So, ignore the cup in the background, but today we're gonna be installing a baby dashboard. Fuck, I found it. A baby camera. Baby camera. That's what it's called. Now, have I ever did this? No. Have I ever read the instructions? No. Am I a little confused? A little bit, but I figured this part out before I got in the car and turned this camera on, which is the plug-in part. But it states very clearly how to do it on the thing that I never read. Ugh. Yeah, so now that I know that, we can keep pushing. So, we got a strap with the camera that goes in the back clearly. This goes up front, up here. So weird. I'm trying to figure out where I can place this shit. I ain't gonna hold you. I guess I'm gonna have to put it over here. See that from driving? See, I have to put that there. I can't see. I can. Y'all kind of have to get this look in a second. I think here it really is best. But the phone's always gonna be in the way. I can't put it in there because that's dead center of the windshield. I might just have it back here. Yeah, I mean that's not that bad. I can run the wire that way, so that's fine. So with all that being said, cool little foldable feature. I'll show you all the features when I get it plugged up. How about that? I think this is the tape. I don't see this being strong enough. I'm gonna keep it so real with y'all. Like, I feel like it will break or come loose eventually. But I believe this was cheap on Amazon. I don't know. It just showed up. So, yeah, the cord got stuck to it pretty good. That's another thing about it. So if I'm driving, I can put it right there. It pops up. And I can see everything. Okay, cool. So, we're going to pull it this way. This is power cord. This is power cord. I have an outlet back there. Damn. Okay. Another fun fact about me is I genuinely fucking hate wires. Like with the burning passion, I hate wires. I hate seeing them. I hate them being visible when I install stuff. Like if I'm out the TV, I'm always putting the wires inside the wall. Like I genuinely, not bullshitting y'all when I say I despise wires. So I'm gonna find a way to tuck all these. That goes back there. Now, as of right now, I'm just trying to get it plugged up so I'm not tripping too much. I gotta unplug my starlights. Are there wires anywhere through here? I ran wires under the dashboard. I wonder if I can do that again. As of right now, I'm gonna just plug it in right here, just so we can all get it. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna just plug it in right there, just so we can all get it. Just so we can see what it's like, what it looks like. I'm gonna get it plugged in and get it working. Then from there, we'll see. Now let me get in the back, put the camera on the seat. I am now realizing I have no. Holy shit! Look at me. Let me get some shit out. But yeah, so we're getting rid of this mirror because, quite honestly, it's ass. I'm not gonna hold you, but this. I believe that's top. Okay, wire. Get out of here. So that looks like top, that side. So I believe so, Yeah, because that was good. Fuck. Y'all see that shit? Car almost got fucked up. But, holy shit. He started running when I saw him. Oh, man. Niggas be a little happy around here. So I believe that's about where it would be. In my opinion, at least. Now I'm gonna shove these wires under the seat right here. Jeez. I wonder if I'm gonna have to take that dashboard out to run that wire. Not dashboard, but the center console. Because again, like hate wires for me is an understatement. Like I genuinely despise these shits. Like I'm not no, bro. I fucking hate wires. So I'm gonna figure out where I can run this wire that's coming up here for sure. Now that is all plugged up, so we can go back to the front. Start the car up, plug it up. See ya. That camera is ass. Boy, oh boy. But nevertheless, it works. I have to put her down. That is how it looks. Clearly, the car seat is not in there, but this is that wire I'm talking about to you right now. But this is the wire. Trying to see where I can run this wire to. Is it long enough to go to the back seat? That's the question at hand. It is. Hold on.
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started. Oh, that's real good.
Why they stopping me? Stopping me.
Alright, YouTube, so I got it running behind the rubber and then come down there. Yeah, it doesn't affect the door at all. So now I just got it in the back. Finish running it.
0, 1.
Alright, YouTube, so I ran that behind the seat. So there's no wire there. I'm down here. I'm gonna try to fix these wires. Well, this can be unplugged altogether. This really isn't nothing. But this is an Amazon splitter. I got. Hey, back in the front, we go. I'm just finding all types of new spots for y'all. Like, goddamn. All right, so where does this plug go to? This is a charger, so that is okay to be hanging here. That's natural. Yeah, so I'm kind of going along under this trim. Can I switch under here? Is that noticeable? I'm trying to think because from a passenger standpoint, I prefer the wires be on my side, like the driver's side. But from a car enthusiast standpoint, and I hate seeing wires, I prefer not to see wires on no side. I can't really run here because it's just gonna be like that. I could run it back across here. Nah, bro. Take this back out. I think I'm gonna go inside here. Tight as I can get it. And I just have to run it like that. Now I do have to remember I have a little bit of play. Cause where's this cord at? Oh, this has to come all the way back over here. Oh. Shit, that might be even better. Just run this way. Now, that won't reach up there, will it? Nope. So I can run that there, but every time you get out the car, it's gonna be right here. So let me pull this back out. That. Now, do I have enough to run this under my shit? Let's see. Will stop me from going more. But if I run under the seat with it, now that we're under the seat, might have enough play to do what I'm trying to do here. Now, what is it that I'm trying to do? I have no idea. I'm just kind of free going with this one right now. Alright, YouTube, so I got it all in. I don't really like how it turned out, to be honest. I can't find my thing now. So it's on now. I have the wires ran here. I'm gonna figure out how to get this one back some more. Both of them for real. I'm about to pry this off. Well, not off, but pry it up and see if I can shove that wire down there more. But I have them both ran under. You can see it right there. And you can't see no wires now besides that corner right there. So I'm about to see how I can tuck that in more, but regardless, that's pretty much the end of the video. See how that's looking.